Good morning viewers, you're watching Newsix and I'm Simran. Let's take a look at the top developments of this hour, where the big story that we're tracking is the launch of the Indian astronaut group captain Shubhanshu Shukla's mission to the International Space Station, which has once again been postponed. The Axiom 4 mission to the ISS, which was scheduled on the 10th of June at around and in fact approximately 8:22 a.m. Eastern Time from the Launch Complex 39A at the NASA Kennedy Space Center in Florida, has been postponed to 11th of June due to the weather conditions. This is the latest development, as in fact the confirmation of the postponement happened yesterday. The Indian Space Research Organization has announced in a statement, and I quote, "Due to the weather conditions, the launch of the Axiom 4 mission for sending Indian Gaganyatri to International Space Station is postponed from 10th of June to 11th of June 2025. The targeted time of the launch is now scheduled at 5:30 p.m. IST on the 11th of June. Well, Arzu Seth is joining me with more updates. Arzu, as there is excitement and there is in fact a lot of pride in the nation for the mission that is going to be led by Shubhanshu Shukla on the Axiom 4. This is what in fact the postponement is regards with, as the postponement has happened on the 11th of June. Share more details as to the statements, the detailed statements that have been issued by ISRO.
Well, the much awaited launch of Axiom 4 mission to the International Space Center station has been postponed to June 11 owing to the weather condition, and also it was scheduled to take place on 10th June, means today, but now it will be scheduled for the June 11. And also what the ISRO has said that this is happening due to the weather condition. The launch of the Axiom 4 mission for sending Indian Gaganyatri to the International Space Station is postponed from 10th June 2025 to 11th June 2025. The targeted time to launch is 5:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time on 11th June 2025. This is what the space agency said. Also, the SpaceX rocket was earlier set to lift off on June 8, but the launch was pushed back to June 10. At the time, Axiom Space had said that the shift allowed team to account for predicted inclement weather during the SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket and Dragon spacecraft transport, in addition to completing the final processing of the spacecraft ahead of the launch. So, earlier, which was scheduled to take place on June 8, was shifted to June 10, and now due to the weather condition, the date has been scheduled for June 11. And this is the 4th private astronaut flight from Axiom Space and the first to carry an Indian astronaut to the International Space Station. So this is a very significant and historic mission that is going to take place, the much awaited launch of the Axiom 4 mission. Yes, Simran.
Well, all right, Arzu, thank you very much for sharing the latest details that you are tracking in the, in fact, mission. Now from there, let's shift our focus